Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome you all from my deepest hearts. Very good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. Today I am also pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. A long time after I have come here, as well as a long time after I have come in front of camera. I am making this video for only practicing and learning purpose. Dear loving friends, before this day I was very busy for my task, for my examination, so I couldn't come in front of camera and I couldn't practice anymore. So I am extremely sorry for that. Please everyone forgive me, and nowadays I will start my English journey so that I can be a fluent English speaker, and it's my dream. I will not make it longer anymore. If you found the video helpful, please comment me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.